Today, guys, I'm gonna give you simple and practical tips how to improve your screwback shots. And by applying those tips into your game, you will see immediate change, positive change, and I'm sure that you will improve your screwback shots today. First and most important point, on impact, you need to hit to the intended point, which means low on the cue ball. So my task is now gonna be to pot the red and make position for the high blue. And you will see that my Q-tip is going through that exact point. At this moment in time, don't think about your action too much. Just think about that your tip has to go to one point. What I often see, a problem, that players are aiming low enough, but on impact, hitting high, and the cue ball is not rotating back. So you have got to understand that the most important thing to make a screwback, your Q-tip has to go through intended point. And that's when you're gonna get screwback. Second important point, when you try to improve your screwback shots, try to play softly with a proper follow through to the chest, which means play soft and just practice it, playing low on the cue ball to the chest. So play soft and you will notice how much spin and screwback you can get. So I'm just gonna focus on playing very soft. And that's how you train the motion. Now when you play very soft, then you can increase your speed maybe 10% and then again get high blue. But you see, I almost pushed the ball. So I played soft to the chest, soft motion. And now I'm just gonna play maybe 5–10% more and you will see nice cue ball. Just like that, perfect position. So second most important thing is to play soft to the chest. And the key mistake what players do, not only they're not hitting to the intended spot on cue ball, but they trying to force it and they're not getting cue ball. And it was like more like a stunt shot. So second point, soft to the chest, and that's it. The third important point is to make sure that your backswing is controlled, gradual, because that has impact how precisely hit on impact to the cue ball, and also it has impact what kind of speed you're gonna deliver the cue. So it's much easier to control cue ball with the gradual backswing compared to quick, rigid backswing like this. Because even if you're gonna get screwback with the quick backswing, for example, very often players are overrunning the cue ball like this. And then cue ball control is not precise. Potting is not precise because it's much more difficult to pot the ball because the rhythm has impact to your grip. Don't think about that, but just think about the rhythm. So what I'm advising for you when you are training screwback shots, just make sure that your backswing is gradual and deliver cue as smooth as you possibly can. So let's summarize. You got to hit to the intended spot, so if you want to play screwback, you just make sure that you hit on impact to the low part of the cue ball. Second thing, play soft to the chest. Soft to the chest, I just showed. And third, play with the gradual backswing with smooth delivery through the ball. And by applying those three things in your game, I'm sure that your screwback shots will improve immediately. See you next time.